You can help keep your lungs healthy by improving the quality of air, such as with an air purifier. Your lungs do a lot for you by providing oxygen to the rest of your body, so it is important to take care of them. Breathing polluted air or smoking cigarettes and other irritants can damage your lungs and even cause health complications. In this video, we will discuss methods to detoxify your lungs at home. Let your lungs breathe easy by detoxifying them. If you're a fan of nice fragrances, we have some bad news for you. You might think that lighting candles, using air fresheners, or wax candle warmers will make your home smell fresh, but in reality they contain artificial and potentially harmful chemicals that can irritate your lungs. Even some household cleaners with strong smells can be irritating, so take a look at the cupboard and opt for natural products if possible. It's always a good idea to go on a walk and get some fresh air, which can help the tissues in your lungs remain healthy. Make sure you check the pollution levels in your area prior to exercising outdoors. If the pollution is high, it would be best to avoid going outside. If there is usually high pollution where you live, then consider wearing an air filter mask while out and about in order to keep your lungs safe from pollutants. Are you aware that exercise can also improve both physical and mental health? Exercising, even if living with chronic conditions, can benefit your body in many ways. It causes all muscles to work harder, which increases breathing rate and provides more oxygen to the muscles. Furthermore, it enhances circulation and aids in getting rid of excess carbon dioxide produced from exercising. By making a habit of working out regularly, your body will adjust and allow your muscles to use oxygen more efficiently as well as create less carbon dioxide. For improved lung capacity and breathing, an aerobic exercise routine can be beneficial. Such exercises include walking, cycling, running, dancing, boxing, and other physical activities. If suffering from a chronic lung disease, however, it is important to consult one's doctor prior to beginning any exercise program to determine the best approach for oneself. Healthy levels of vitamin D can help reduce the number of asthma attacks that require corticosteroid treatment, and fortunately there are a few lung cleansing foods that can improve your lung health. These foods remove toxins and nicotine left after smoking. Sources for vitamin D include animal products like sardines, salmon, and eggs. Additionally, you can look for products with added vitamin D. Green tea is amazing due to its many benefits, including antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation in your lungs. Research into over 1,000 adults in Korea showed that those who had 2 or more cups of tea each day had better lung function than those who had none. Similarly, beetroot and beet greens are essential for optimal lung health as they contain potassium, magnesium, vitamin C, and carotenoid antioxidants. Beetroot and its greens are rich in nitrates, which improve lung function and help lower blood pressure. Nitrates relax blood vessels and increase oxygen intake, while beetroot supplements can contribute to enhanced physical performance and better lung health in people with pulmonary hypertension or other respiratory issues. Cruciferous vegetables such as cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts are also beneficial due to their high content of chlorophyll, which acts as a detoxifier by purifying the blood from toxins. Furthermore, they are a good source of vitamin C that strengthens the immune system. Ginger is an enemy of toxins. Ginger contains anti-inflammatory properties that help remove toxins from the respiratory tract. It has many vitamins and minerals including magnesium, potassium, beta-carotene, and zinc. Certain extracts of ginger are also known to reduce the chances of lung cancer cells. You can add ginger to a variety of dishes as an herb or have it in the form of ginger tea. Not having an apple a day. Apples contain a range of flavonoids, vitamins, and antioxidants, especially vitamin C, which helps in fighting lung disease, lung repair, and slows down the aging of lungs. The last but vital one is garlic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which plays a role as a potent antibiotic agent and helps reduce respiratory infections that clog your lungs. It also helps reduce inflammation. If you're looking to detoxify your lungs, it's important to consider lifestyle changes. Quitting smoking and avoiding exposure to harmful air can make a big difference in the health of your lungs. Additionally, having a diet that is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can help. Incorporating anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, leafy greens, cherries, walnuts, beans, and lentils into your daily routine may also be beneficial. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and check out our other socials. Until next time.